So about the chat feature, this is kind of one of the most important parts of this Elluminate Live. Does share with you the participants. Right now I am the only participant that is there, but I'm just going to quickly go through all of these different buttons with you. First off, the hand is to be used to raise your hand. So if you have a question, you can just click the hand raise and it'll show you that one hands are raised. And again, it goes in the order, same with the Wimba Classroom. To lower your hand, you just click it again and it will disappear. You also have the option to ask yes or no questions. So if you'd like someone to answer with a yes, they could click the check mark. No would be the X. Here you have the microphone. I think this is a nice option because as a moderator you can actually disable the microphone of the students. So if it gets a little too chatty, you can disable the microphone so that you are the only one speaking at that time. The video is another option that you have. You can allow the students to use the video or they do not have to. Same with the chat. And the application sharing permission and status, you're the one who decides if you will enable that or not. The pen allows the students to have permission to use the whiteboard. So if you want them to be able to write on the whiteboard surface, which is located over here, you can have that. If not, you can just click it and it will disappear. They also have the laughter and the confusion, so if for some reason they are laughing, they can type that, click that. If they are confused, they can click that so that they can show you how they are actually feeling, applause and thumbs down. If they need to step away, they can click that and it will just say that they are away. At the top here, you can save or print, very similar to other sessions. You do have some options with the layout, however you would like to have that laid out. You can have some polls, and you can create those under the tools. Go to the polling and you can create whether it be multiple choice or yes no responses. You can create a poll there and the students can answer questions. You can also manage the presentation of the entire content. Here you can show the video window. Pull this down. If my video camera was set up, all you'd have to click is transmit and then I would appear here in the screen. You can have multiple people appear at different times and you can make it large or small depending on how many people you have in your screen. You can start a web tour, so if you'd like to have your students go to a specific website, you can click there. You can also start up a timer, so you might say, let's take 5 minutes and explore the website and put a timer up there so the students know to come back. You can add notes, so if you want to type a note to yourself, you can type that right there and you can hide the notes or make them visible. If you want to invite new participants, maybe you have a new student who wasn't on the original email, you can just click there and this email will be sent to that person. As far as the whiteboard is concerned, very similar to the Wimba Classroom where you can write with a pen, you can highlight certain areas, you can erase. You can also just make some circles and squares. I like this little pointer right here. If you want to point out and say, everybody look at the square, it just leaves this little light there so that the students know where they are to look. You can put different icons and clip art in there. So if you wanted to do an equation or something with math, you can click here and it would have those available for you. If you want to, I'm a social studies teacher, so I'll do a globe there. You can place the globe and make that larger on the screen. So however you would like to do that is fine. There you go. You can also upload pictures of your own and put some screen captures. So if you would like the students to be able to see what you are doing on your screen, you can put the screen capture up there. All of these tools right here are also located underneath the tool menu. So if you'd rather look at it in this point of view, you can. But like I said, most of these features are all located right here. So I hope that you enjoyed this Blackboard training, and as I always say, the best thing to do is to go ahead and try it out, see what works, see what doesn't work. I'm sure that if you do this at the beginning of the year, by the end of the year you'll be a pro using all these different features in the Blackboard site. At this time, I'd like everyone to go back to the discussion board, and I would like you to respond to the question that I asked at the beginning of class. How would you use discussion board, chat room, Wimba Classroom, journals, and Elluminate Live within your classroom? Please respond, and then if you will read at least 3 people in this group's responses and reply to those 3 people. Thank you again, and if you have any questions, you can always contact me via email, ewindish@southfayette.org, or you can give me a call. My extension is 579. Thank you.